Good morning, guys. I stayed up late last night talking to Stony, and Misha, our Russian friend, also joined us. It's been months since we talked to that guy. We missed him, so we just stayed on until very early in the morning, like 6 a.m. or something like that. So I didn't get up in time to call the eye doctor today. But it's fine, they should be open tomorrow as well. I'll make sure to get up in time tomorrow. I've been trying to text message my friend who lets me stay here. Like, hey dude, I need to get a laptop within the next 6 days. Like, you gotta help me out here. You know anybody? Yeah, let's see. If I don't get a laptop, I'm definitely gonna get kicked out of the education. I need one. It's an online education after all, right? Oh, I'll do the best I can to get a laptop in order over the next week. I hope I get it. Not much has been happening today, guys. Honestly, I've just been chilling in my sleeping bag all day. I got some pineapple bits for cheap, only 3 kroner. And you know me, Danish liver pate. It was only 10 for sale. And this stuff is so calorically dense that it's almost irresponsible not to buy it when you're this broke. So yeah, I'm gonna go home and eat that. I was looking to see if they had some rye bread for cheap. They didn't. I'm running out of cheap rye bread. I don't want to pay full price, man. I'm used to paying like a fourth of the price of rye bread now because they always have stuff that ages out. You know, where they put it for sale because of the expiry date. Well, back home we go. Uneventful day. Vitamin C and bromelain, I guess. It's important to take care of your nutritional needs. When you're broke, you can't just keep eating the same stuff over and over again. You're gonna start feeling bad mentally and emotionally. I don't know how much of a nutritionist you are, but you should certainly learn about nutrition, at least some basics, so you know what you need to get, what roughly are in different things, micro and macronutrients, and also get a good idea about calories, how they work, how many you need, how much are in different things. I didn't actually have enough rye bread for making heated up liver paste in the oven, or liver pate. So instead I boiled some water, and I'm gonna have some ramen noodles. Just the cheap packs from the supermarket. Don't over rely on stuff like ramen. Most ramen don't have a lot of calories. You gotta read on the back of them. But even if they do, they don't really have much else. And they got far too much salt. So don't over depend on that shit. It's not good for you, man. You're gonna start feeling terrible and depressed. I'm making a double portion of chicken noodles. I don't understand people who put the spices in last. Like they just pour water over the noodles. And then for the spices they'll drain out the water and then they'll add the spices. I make it in these because it's gonna be able to keep the steam in, and If you place it on a piece of cardboard like so, it's not actually gonna lose much of its heat. I'm gonna find my titanium chopsticks.